Okay, igama usiphelele okaMbhele Sibongo, ngisuka eAppersfield. Most of my life ngikhulele egama lakhe and then ngamuva eAppersfield sengina I think I was 18. Okay, ngafunda ngaqala eDUT but ngangenza into engahlangene ne-technology. I was doing cost accounting. Ngafunda ngizange ngiqede. And then ke ngahamba ke lapho ngaya eUJ. UJ bengifunda yona ke vele IT business information technology, so business analysis nani khona khona business then khona ama-computer. That's how I ended up getting major ngabona so okay igama le business Mpembatronics. Okay, it's an IT business, IT solutions, anything nje involve in technology, can be cell phones, my PlayStation, my phone, anything electronic, any software, anything in the operating system. Siyakwazi ukudilana, siyayilungisa, siyawadayisa second hand, siyakwazi ukubuild ama-computer, like gaming computers. Okay, okwamanje ngisa more on like hardware and software. Dila nje ngama-repairs wenza lokho but ezohamba isikhathi sisazongena nako cyber, like cyber security, camera installations, CCTV, sisazongena nalapho i-vast nje but okwamanje is more on like the repair side and the resale of ama-computer. I-technology, information technology kahle is just solution, bridge gap nje between like ama-business, to bring solutions to IT ukuthi nje ukwenza like for example i-business njengase store, instead of ukuthi uthenga imali ibhale manually nani kuzoba khona computer ama-sales azorecord angithi kanjani, so it just brings solution kuma-business, bridge gap between human and business. Then so i-IT nje it's in between ukuletha solution for ukuthi be efficient ama-business. Target market ama-students, pretty much anyone osebenzayo, because it can be accountant, lawyer. If usebenza at some point these days computer thing, so target market, but mostly I can say I'm a professionals and I'm a students and small business owners. Funding ingasiza ngokuthi indawo first of all, because my plan is ukuthi bene contain, there's small containers, yes, uba ne container wengizokwazi ukubeka izinto, because now currently izinto zami zihlala ekamereni nje yabo cramped up, so I need into container ingasiza ukuthi ngibe ne container ezo designwa specifically for lento engiyenzayo, and then and having stocking izinto, there's things lehlahla zidingeka like ama-parts, ama-screens nani, because currently into enzeka manje uma ifika mhlawumbe inkinga fanele ngiqale ngibe up and down ngizule ngizama ukuthola screen, so ingasiza ukuthi ngibe ne-stock on hand, things like ama-screens, keyboards, mouse, what else, into ezikanjalo nje ukuthi ngibe ne-stock on hand, instead of ukuthi manje makufika umuntu fanele ngiqale ngizule ngiyofonela abantu ngiyifuna leyo nto leyo, ukuba ne-stock ngazi ihleli sikhona. I can say since ngisayingane vele I've always been umuntu kanjalo, ngidayisa ama-CD, ama-CD abheniwe that time ngisadume indawo ama-CD. I've always liked nje uku-transfer ukudila nabantu ngisho kanjalo. Okay, long term vision I can say is to egcineni mhlawumbe ngibe ne-Shipstein, uba nendawo eyi-hub nje, sort of like a computer hub nje. Luzolungiswa vele still into engiyenzayo, luzolungiswa, maybe kuzogcina sikhona into zo-gaming, something zoba nje hub nje for ama-gamers ke kuthiwa ama-nerds, ukuba nento kanjalo long term, like be business nje, kube yi-hub, ufunde iy'ngane zifundiswe ama-computer ama-basics, because these days you do need somehow to understand computers, because yonke into yenzayo noma upose umsebenzi ufesa nani, you do need to use a computer. Emsebenzini mase uqashiwe uyayidinga i-computer, kumele ufunde ukutypa, and emakhaya into ezikanjalo ziyabahlula abanye abantu understand, so kuba nento kanjalo still business but then bikhona nendawo lokufundisa like the youth. That's my plan. Mina into enginqina ukuthi kuyadepend wenzani ngayo kuqala, I can say nakhona singabheka kanjalo. Kwezinye iy'ndawo i-right iyasiza, but kwezinye iy'ndawo abantu benza sibe bagcina sibe amavila, njengangisho khona umuntu ongathothi manje ugraduate-ile for example i-coding, thina sibuke-IT khona ukukhoda nani, usizwe i-AI, understand ukuthi why mhlawumbe kubhalwe kanje, why lo line ubhalwe kanje, because usizwe i-AI. Yabo manje create namavila, i-downside yayo-AI abantu bezodala amavila banga-understand izinto ezenziwa kanjani, because they just get there batype banike i-answer, they don't even understand ukuthi kufike kanjani lapho. I-basic akasenawo umuntu, because manje AI everything. Facebook ngusiphe Mpele, khona i-page vele ebhala Mpembatronics, mawubhala kanjalo Mpembatronics kuhlangene liyavela. Then WhatsApp ke ungangithola khona ku-061 043 2338 WhatsApp. Usually ngiphendula within 2 hours. Okay, alright, okay. Into enga-recommenda for ama-students ama-computer, it also depends because ayenzayo, but mostly minimum uzothola i-computer mhlawumbe 4 GB RAM, space vele 500 gig at least, then ibe ne Windows 11 because Windows 10 manje si-support vele siyaphela. I think October izobe so Windows 11 4GB RAM 500GB space at least, then izoba right. Ibe simple nje, processor yakhona kube normal, it doesn't need to be i3 i5 or i7 if it's for basic typing unless if enza mhlawumbe ama-video or something lapho uzodinga into ethi more powerful, something like i5, 8GB RAM minimum, space 500GB space. Really doesn't matter, it depends ukuthi wena ustorisha kanjani, but into ebaluleke kakhulu fanele ayibheke it's processor yakhona ukuthi ubuy speed because iqala ama-gigahertz. So 1.10 kuya 110 gigahertz at least mangabe student etype kuphela something assignment izoba right. Then for umuntu osebenzayo it's pretty much the same thing because if it's office work same thing la ngisho vele iba right manje kanjalo. 4GB RAM, 1.10 gigahertz at least space, 4K ile RAM 4K space, 500GB, be no Windows 11 i-support Windows 11 izoba right. Yes, ama-second hand into engiyenzayo vele ibhizinisi ngaliqala kanje vele. Into engiyenza take ama-computer athi sifile, yabo, ngiyilungise then ngiyidayisa. So angeke if manje lapha stock umuntu uzobuthi nginani, angeke ngisho nginani, kuya ngokuthi yini enginako at that time because it's second hand, kuyadependa. But ngibanawo nje cishe kwama-brand akho, but most of the time bama-HP, Lenovo most of the time, ne-Ace, but ngiyabanawo nje, just depends ukuthi yini engiyitholile la ngithenge khona because ngithenga ama-computer afile bese ngiyawalungisa ngidayisa. So angeke ngibe specific ukuthi ngine-HP nginani, just depends ukuthi yini engiyitholile leso sikhathi.